The W tool provides a battering ram feature that will quickly defeat multiple locks on most doors. Position the W tool over the dominant shoulder with the ram end facing the target. Grip the tool firmly with both hands. Stand in a balanced, shoulder-width stance and drive the W tool forward with controlled force using the shoulder strap to help manage the weight of the tool. The W tool features a unique, non-destructive entry mode, engineered for fast access without damage. Approach the target door with the tool strap over your shoulder. Try the door to ensure it is locked. Position the tool at the base of the door, with the power head on the right side of the door and the handle facing outward. Remove the detent pin and adjust the slide tube so that the W tool fits inside the door frame. Reinsert the detent pin, ensuring it's secured both to the upper and lower adjustment holes in the slide tube. Turn the power head control valve to the right to engage the power head. Raise the W tool and place it in a level horizontal position in close proximity to the strongest lock or deadbolt. Pump the handle to expand the W tool until it's firmly in the door frame. With one hand on the doorknob to control the inward swing, continue to pump the handle, pushing slightly on the doorknob. Once the door is breached, firmly hold the W tool and release the power head control valve by turning to the left.